it's Gina with WTI, and if you want to bring simple elegance to your next party, then you need to check out these table runners that I got from Keketoarrange. I recently threw a baby shower for a friend, and I wanted something easy that I could do to really bring beauty to the party without having to do a ton of decorations. So I used these terracotta colored table runners to really bring this nice touch of boho color to the shower, and everybody loved how pretty it was. These table runners are made with a gauze-like material. It's very soft and is a bit see-through, so it looks good when you kind of bunch it up together on the table. Or I even found that it looked amazing in my home, complementing one of my side tables or even draped above my bed. These have a natural, slightly crinkly texture to them. I liked that a lot because the texture made it more interesting. Keketoarrange has many different colors of table runners to choose from, and you are going to be so pleased with whatever color you choose for your event. I'm so glad I have them on hand for any occasion. I think you will be too, and that's my point of view.